Hey lovelies, Kim Crystal here and welcome to today's Sims 4 YouTube tutorial. So we are building a beautiful lantern tree. It's super easy, so if you guys are new, please like and subscribe, and let's not delay and jump right into the video. So first up, we're going to jump into Willow Creek. I'm just using this town because I've built my house there. You guys can use any town you would like. This isn't restricted, so I'm in Cypress Terrace and this is my house I built for my sim. So I'm gonna build up a little family for her, which is gonna be really cute, and I was going after a industrial farmhouse look, and I actually really like this house, and yeah, it's pretty cute. But why is there a mailbox here? Oh my gosh. Okay, so besides that point, if you guys are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. I have DIY videos weekly, hopefully, if I can. I really try to do weekly videos. Next week's video is going to be on a DIY Juju hat dream catcher. This is a real world thing. It's actually a tutorial, so check that on my channel. But today's is a digital tutorial on The Sims 4 making a lantern tree. So this is complete base game, you're not going to need any mods. So I'm just using a normal cypress tree. You can use any tree you would like. I'm just choosing to do this one, and I'm making a little box around the base for it. This part you don't have to do, but I like to do this, especially putting little flowers in. So first up, we're going to have to put in the cheat. So Control-Shift-C and then type in bb.moveObjects. If you want to switch move objects off, you can just press that again. So I'm going into lighting and going to hanging lights, and I'm going to find the pendant lamp. And now it won't fit straight away, so you're gonna have to move it up and down. So you can press Control and 9 and that will move it up. To move it down is Control 0. Then to make it bigger or smaller is Control bracket. You can use either brackets to make it bigger or smaller. So that bit's really simple. If you guys want to do like exactly like precision placing, you can hold down the Alt key while placing an object, so that makes it actually snap off the grid, and yeah, it makes it a lot easier. But yeah, I'm just going to add on heaps of little lanterns throughout the tree. I love how this looks, especially at night. When you go into Sims play mode, you can change the color the light gives off, so you can make the lanterns give off blue light or purple light or white light or warm white. It doesn't really matter, whatever color you'd like, you can pretty much do it. And you can adjust the brightness or, yeah, the I don't know, brightness or dimming. It's really nice. It looks really nice in the day as well. I'm just going to move the lanterns slightly just to position them a bit better. But what is my sim doing? That looks so uncomfortable for her neck. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I was building this house and I wanted to do the lantern tree. I think this room would look really cute if Seasons ever comes out and it's like snowing outside. It just looks like such a cozy little place. And from the main bedroom, you will be able to see the lantern tree outside, and at night time it lights up and you can see it through the window, which looks really cute. But I like this little room. It's such like a, I don't know, farmhouse kind of. It's got a slight African vibe to it, in my opinion. But yeah, it looks really cute outside. I love this hobbit door. I will check who was the creator and try to link them in the description box down below for you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Here's the lantern tree you can see from outside. It looks really nice at night. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in next week's video. See you guys later. Bye!